Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of the Cubica AMF Tech Tip Podcast. This is a weekly podcast where we take you on a journey through the fascinating world of bowling technology and beyond. As always, I'm your host, Orly, and I have my favorite guest back. I'm just going to say it, Charles. I know in the past I've said one of my favorite guests. I'm just going to say favorite guests. It's probably going to get me in some trouble with others, but I'm just going to be honest. You're here all the time when I need you. There's others that are also. You've did the most shows. We've come to the conclusion of that. So I'm just going to go ahead and say favorite guest. If MySpace was still around, somebody's probably saying, "What's MySpace?" You would definitely be in my top 4, top 8, whatever it is. So Charles, welcome to the show.
I definitely appreciate that, and you are my you are my favorite podcast host because I don't listen to a lot of them, but you definitely are the most entertaining that I have. So
well, I appreciate it.
That.
I appreciate it. I try to have fun on these, I know sometimes when it comes to tech support, it could be a stressful time for people or they're worried about something not working. So why not have a little fun with it? So, and for those that are maybe new to the show, Charles, like I said, you've been on a ton of times, but if they are new, can you let everyone know your title with Cubica AMF and what you are able to do within that title?
Sure. I am a Cubica AMF Max trainer. I am the one that either comes on site after you purchase or upgrade and trains you, or I assist with your training remotely. So if you did something like new scoring, maybe new machines, or even, a Square integration, I'm the person that's going to help facilitate that for you.
Yeah, and everyone appreciates a trainer. You guys do a lot. Actually, I was just able to attend a trainers meeting with you guys, and it was awesome to meet everyone, even you in person, because I'd never met you in person. A lot of people I've had on the show, a lot of trainers, and I'd never met some of you in person, even though it feels like I've known you. I had never quite met you guys in person, so it was cool to get with all you guys. And yeah, everyone there. It was cool to meet the ones I have worked with before in the past and ones that I didn't even know had worked for. I was like, who's that guy? Oh, that's such. Okay. But it was cool to meet everyone. Everyone, you guys gave us a lot of great information. And that was a good time. So Charles, today we have a FAQ for you. I'm going to go ahead and read it here for you. Someone says, I attempted to log into Conqueror this morning, but I received an error code stating, sorry, Conqueror X was not properly activated. How can I resolve this issue?
Sure. So Conqueror, every time that you log into the program, looks for your activation or your license. And if it can't see that for some reason, what it's going to do is prompt you to enter it. On that kind of error message there, they'll usually give you an OK, and then it'll give you an option to enter your license or enter your activation now. And if you hit the get license or get activation button, it's going to try and reach out to Cubica AMF's website over the internet and get that activation. If everything goes well, then it pops in there immediately and it lets you into Conqueror and it tells you that it's activated. If it doesn't give you that message, it'll pop up and say, sorry, I couldn't reach wherever. I couldn't get your activation. Please reach out to technical support for help. And at that point, call, chat, email, whatever you have to do to get into us, and just let them know, hey, here's what I'm seeing. And the rep from tech support will be able to provide that activation for you.
Okay. So it's not necessarily a number they need or should have from the beginning. It's just kind of something that once you hit click activation, it should go.
Right. So when you're first installed, there's an activation that comes with the system. It's on a little flash drive that we usually send out sometimes, but every time that you add a product, remove a product, something like that, that license is going to change. So even though you had that license at one point, that code may have changed in the past week, month, year. It is also not something that you can easily remember. It's usually a couple hundred digits, it's numbers, it's letters, it's symbols. And
wow.
I definitely recommend, if you can, keep it copied and saved somewhere, because it's going to be a lot easier to copy and paste it than it is to type it in. I can tell you, I've tried typing them in several times. I think I've only done it successfully once. It's a lot to deal with.
I can imagine that. Hey, read me these numbers, and like halfway through, wait, I messed up, I think. Let's start all over from the beginning.
Oh, yeah. It's a lot, but it's definitely something that tech support can help with, because they can probably just remote in and copy and paste that number for you. And then at that point, you're good to go. You won't have any downtime with that.
Perfect. Well, Charles, I appreciate you covering that for us today.
Of course. It's great to be here.
Yeah, and everyone out there, thanks for listening to the Cubica AMF Tech Tip podcast. We're here each week to support centers like yours with expert advice and the latest in bowling innovation. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode, and be sure to share this podcast with your team, coworkers, or anyone who could benefit. Until next time, we'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.